In today's video, I'll show you how to use Calendly for recruiters step by step. First, sign into your account and go to your dashboard. Go to Event Types and create recruitment meetings such as Initial Screening Call, Technical Interview, Final Interview. Set the duration for each event type. Next, open Availability and set your interview schedule. Go to Invitee Questions and add screening questions like Current Role, Experience Level, Expected Salary, Notice Period. Now go to Routing Forms and create a form to send candidates to the correct interview type. Open Team Scheduling if you have multiple recruiters. Choose Round Robin to distribute interviews across recruiters. Or choose Collective if multiple interviewers join the same call. Next, connect your calendar in Calendar Sync. Go to Notifications or Workflows and set Confirmation Email, Interview Reminders, Follow-up Emails. Copy your booking link from each event type. Share it with candidates via job posts, email, or application forms. And that's it. You've successfully set up Calendly for recruiters. And that's how you use Calendly for recruiters.